Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are solving question 125, valid palindrome and LeetCode. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. A phrase is a palindrome if after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backwards. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. Given a string S, return true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. Okay. Input 1, you may have, that's a long palindrome, but it's a palindrome. Got an extra E in there, so 2 is not a palindrome, and then 3 is a palindrome since it's just one character. Okay. So, first off, we're going to have to turn S into a list so that we can iterate through it and remove any non-alphanumeric characters. So let's go ahead and do that first. S into a list. Let's call it S list, and we'll go I in S. Should do it. Okay. And then once we iterate through the list, we're going to want to have a new array. A new array or a new list. So let's call it array. And so this is what we'll push all the alphanumeric characters into. So then we'll go ahead and we can iterate through for S. If I is let me look up what the numeric okay. All right, so it looks like it is a so F I see here is a no. Okay. So true. So if that equals true, we'll go ahead and append this to our array. And I. Okay. And that's going to be the end of our array. So we should, with that, get all of the alphanumeric characters into array. And then from there, we're going to have to make this back into a string. And then we're going to have to compare that to its reversed counterpart to see if it's the same. So let's go ahead and comment this out first. Iterate through list to push all alphanumeric characters to empty array. Let's say, oops. To array. Okay, so now turn array back into a string. So I think we can do that by going array, or say array.join. What is it? Let's see here. Yeah. Let me look this up real quick. Array. Okay. Okay. Join string x and x. Sorry, an array. An array. There we go. Why is that not working? Oh. Oh, that's why. I'm actually confused. There we go. Just, it wasn't recognizing. All right. Okay, there we go. Alrighty. So then we can go ahead and let's see here. Now we can go ahead and see if array is equal to its reversed counterpart, true, else we return false. So if array is equal to array one, because that gives us the reversed string. If array equals array +1, we'll go ahead and return true. Else we oh man, we will return false. Okay, that should do it here. So we turn into a string, our list, pushed all numeric characters into array, and then we turn that array, our list, I should say, back into a string, and then compared that string to its reverse counterpart, and returning true if it's equal, and then false. Yeah, should be it. Let's go ahead and run it. All right, let's see what's going on here. Oh, you know what we forgot to do? See, I almost guarantee you it's because we are not returning a lowercase number. So how we do that is go lower. Goodness, so many typos today. Let me see what lower is. Just me. I thought it was. Oh, I gotta go. So it is. I dot lower. There we go. There we go. That should work. Let's go ahead and check it out. Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and submit this. I'm gonna make a comment. Append all lowercase alpha numeric characters. Okay, that should be good. Let's go ahead and submit this and see if we pass all the test cases. And we did. Not the greatest runtime and memory, but that's okay. We can go ahead and ride with it. So we'll go ahead and submit that. Easy Python solution with comments. Okay. There we go. Post it and work good. Alrighty, guys. There you have it. There is another episode. Today solving is a palindrome, or is it a palindrome question in LeetCode. Guys, go ahead and comment. Let me know if there's anything I could have done better. Obviously, I could have because my runtime and memory weren't the greatest. Let me know if you liked my approach, if you did the same approach. Other than that, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can stay updated with my journey to becoming a LeetCode master. Again, I will be back up with another video tomorrow. You guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you later. Bye.